Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie and this is The Haunted, a band I'm aware of and they've been around a very long time. But I don't have any of their stuff and I've never featured them on the channel. So it's a band I'm aware of that I haven't actually listened to, if you see what I mean. So they've got an album coming out, Songs of Last Resort. It's not out until the end of May. Literally like 30th of May, yeah. I'm pointing there. You can't see it, but it's there anyway. But yeah, it's May the 30th, so a couple of months away yet. And this is their 10th studio album. 10th. And the last one, which was funnily enough their 9th, was 8 years ago. So what? So it's been a while. But they're back. The Haunted. This is a song called Warhead. I have not heard this, but I have heard about 5 seconds of it. And it basically sounded like a blast. Did you see what I did there? Warhead. A blast. Wasted. This is why no one watches my channel. Right! This is amongst the reasons nobody watches my channel. Are you ready? This should probably wake us up for a Monday.
Automated launch sequence activated. This is an automated general transmission. Seek shelter immediately. Avoid fallout. Predetermined targets assigned.
To a greater beat, millstones keeping that pace. Columns march as if to a beat, no face is left to trace. The land is scarred by trenches deep, the scars upon the earth. Continents turn to battlefields when life has lost its worth. Shadow cast on society, a thin veneer of civility. From a stone waiting primal hell to a comet of bombs, Warhead shall remain. Silent under burning skies, smoldering concrete dust. Orders come down through the line of command. There's no one left to trust. Nations turned and torn apart. Nations never cease. Bound by fear and greed alone, denying any peace. Fractured deep in humanity, a dragon mask of serenity. A blade was drawn by human hand, and it goes in the sky. Warhead shall remain. Your country counts on you, honor and last. Kindness will see you through enemy scouts. Building your position, mortar rows. Dropping with precision. Paths are laid by careful aim. The struggle stopped to fuel the game. No peace desired, no victory planned. Endless battle by unseen demands. Stone in hand, now nuclear preemptive strike.
That was 3.5 minutes. Wow, that's when you distill something down, isn't it? You know, let's distill it down and just get concentrated metal. What a great blast that is. I keep saying blast, but you know what I mean. It's not supposed to be a pun. I'm just literally saying, wow. What a great, uncompromising, straightforward, super entertaining, fantastically produced thing that is. There was a bit early on, I went like this, which I didn't need to do this, but you know when you like, it helps you concentrate if you do a thing. And I was listening to the layers of the guitars, and you could hear everything. And I was like, ooh, if you consider how heavy, fast, uncompromising, and brutal that is, you could hear everything that was going on, which is just great production. And I use production in the wide sense, you know, engineering and mixing and all of that stuff. Yeah. So clearly, having 8 years off, they've had a bit of a rest. I think that drummer probably needs a bit of a rest. And then they come back out of the gate with that, which is just, like I say, it's just brutal and straight down the line. Heavy, very heavy, thrashy, brutal metal. I've said brutal enough times. And it's great. And it's like, you know it's great because you just want to go, "Wah!" If I'm playing that in the car, I'm doing this, it doesn't matter. I can be on the motorway, I'm going to be like, "Ah!" Doing this to the other drivers. Won't be the first time. The Haunted, song called Warhead, from this album coming end of May. That sounds like a banger, as the kids say. It's a crack, it sounds cracking. Songs of Last Resort. It's great. I'm just going to keep going like this, along this vein. I don't know where to go with it. It's a band I'm not familiar with. I've been aware of them for years, but I'm not familiar with their stuff. So I don't know where to go with this other than to say what a great track that is. and I'm sure they'll, consider it's the end of May, they're almost certainly going to release something else before then, aren't they? So we'll pick that up when it arrives, and we'll work our way up to the album release, I think. Let me know what you think. Pretty short on this one, wasn't it? But wow, how's that for waking you up on a Monday? Let me know, and I'll see you soon. Oh no, I've not started doing that again, have I? Bye bye.